First time in a car with no clutch? Ever stepped into an automatic car and felt confused because there's no clutch pedal? According to a 2023 driving habits survey, over 60% of new drivers prefer automatics because they're easier to learn. The key is understanding the basic gear positions before you even start the engine. Tip: sit in the driver's seat and look at the gear shift. Memorize P, R, N, D, and maybe L or S if your car has them. Next, let's talk about how to start the engine the right way so your first drive is smooth. Many beginners turn the key or press the start button without pressing the brake first, and the car won't start. Most modern automatic cars have a safety system that only lets you start when the brake pedal is pressed. Solution: always press and hold the brake before starting. Tip: keep your right foot ready on the brake whenever the car is in gear, so you're always in control. Coming up, we'll go over how to move the car forward without jerking. A common mistake is pressing the gas too hard when moving from a stop, making the car jump. Automatics are designed to move gently because the torque converter transfers power smoothly. Solution: shift to D, ease off the brake, and let the car roll on its own before gently adding gas. Tip: practice this in an empty parking lot until it feels natural. Before we move on, remember, every pro driver was once a beginner. You've got this. Next, stopping safely. Slamming the brake can make everyone lurch forward. According to AAA, smooth braking improves safety and reduces wear on your brake pads. Solution: ease off the gas early and gently press the brake until the car comes to a full stop. Tip: keep your eyes ahead so you can anticipate stops instead of reacting last second. Next, we'll talk about reversing like a pro. Many learners fear reversing because the steering feels opposite to what they expect. Fact: in reverse, the rear wheels push the car, so your steering direction matters more. Solution: shift to R only when the car is fully stopped and turn the wheel in the direction you want the rear to go. Tip: use your mirrors and turn your head to check blind spots. Next up, we'll cover parking without panic. Parking is the test of true confidence for new drivers. Studies show that 70% of new drivers struggle with spatial judgment when parking. Solution: go slow and line up your car before turning into the space. Tip: if unsure, stop, adjust, and try again. No shame in taking your time. You're doing great so far, buddy. Keep going, and soon driving will feel second nature. Next, handling inclines. Rolling backward on a slope can scare beginners. Fact: many automatics have hill start assist, which holds the brake for a moment after you release it. Solution: keep your foot on the brake, shift to D, then smoothly press the gas before releasing the brake. Tip: if your car doesn't have hill assist, use your handbrake to hold until you're ready to go. Coming next, we'll cover using manual mode if your car has it. Some automatics let you shift manually for more control. Fact: this can help when going uphill, downhill, or overtaking. Solution: use lower gears for hills and higher gears for cruising. Tip: don't over-rev the engine. Change up when it sounds comfortable. Next, let's talk about when to use N instead of P. Many beginners confuse neutral and park. Fact: park locks the transmission. Neutral just disconnects the engine from the wheels. Solution: use park when stopped and leaving the car. Neutral only when you need to keep the engine running while stationary. Tip: always use the parking brake with park for extra safety. You've made solid progress, buddy. Keep your head high. Skill grows with every mile. Next, highway driving. Highways can be intimidating for new drivers. Fact: automatics handle high speeds well because they shift smoothly on their own. Solution: merge at a steady speed, match the flow, and keep a safe following distance. Tip: stay in the right lane until you're comfortable overtaking. Next, we'll cover safe lane changing. Sudden swerves cause most beginner mistakes. Fact: smooth lane changes reduce accident risk by over 40%, according to road safety studies. Solution: check mirrors, signal early, and move gradually. Tip: avoid cutting across multiple lanes at once. Up next, dealing with traffic jams calmly. Stop-and-go traffic can make your legs tired. Fact: automatic cars handle this better because you don't need a clutch. Solution: keep your foot lightly on the brake and let the car crawl forward when needed. Tip: if stuck for a long time, shift to N and use the handbrake to rest your foot. You're halfway through, buddy. Remember, patience is part of being a great driver. Next, wet road handling. Wet roads reduce tire grip by up to 30%. Solution: slow down, increase your following distance, and avoid sudden steering. Tip: turn on headlights for better visibility. Next, we'll talk about night driving. Night driving can strain your eyes. Fact: dim lighting reduces reaction time by almost 25%. Solution: keep your windshield clean and use low beams unless high beams are safe to use. Tip: look slightly to the right to avoid glare from oncoming headlights. Next, handling emergencies. Panic is your worst enemy. Fact: calm decision-making reduces crash risk significantly. Solution: take a breath, slow down, and guide the car to safety. Tip: practice emergency stops in a safe, empty area. You're doing great, buddy. You're learning not just to drive, but to stay cool under pressure. Next, fuel efficiency tips. Fact: smooth acceleration and steady speeds save up to 15% on fuel. Solution: avoid aggressive throttle and sudden stops. Tip: anticipate traffic flow to keep momentum. Next, caring for your transmission. Your gearbox is the heart of an automatic car. Fact: regular fluid changes can extend its life by years. Solution: follow your car's service schedule. Tip: never shift between D and R while moving. Next, preparing for long trips. Fact: a well-prepared car reduces breakdown risk by 60%. Solution: check fluids, tire pressure, and brakes before leaving. Tip: keep a spare tire, tools, and water in the car. Next, driving with passengers. Fact: extra weight changes braking distance and handling. Solution: drive smoothly, avoid sharp turns, and keep everyone comfortable. Tip: communicate with passengers if you need their cooperation. You've almost mastered it, buddy. Let's wrap it up with final safety notes. Driving automatic is about control, awareness, and practice. Solution: keep learning, stay patient, and respect the road. Tip: practice regularly in safe areas before taking on challenging routes. Like, share, and comment your driving experience. Consult a medical professional if you have any health condition that may affect driving.